What's up YouTube, it's Matthew here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, you're going to hear me actually talk to a cash buyer to vet them out, to see what kind of business they're doing and different things like that, and just to build rapport with other investors around the area so I can sell my deals to or just partner with in this wholesaling real estate game. And this person actually called the number off my yellow postcard. I sent a postcard to one of their investment properties and they called me back asking for deals actually. So let's head right into the call.
Cheryl.
Hey Cheryl, this is Matthew. Yeah, I just called in regards to your property. I got your voicemail earlier today.
Yeah, well, I was calling you because I got a card on a property that I already sold.
Okay, got you. Okay, yeah, we'll take you off of our list. I mean, do you have any other properties you're looking to sell?
No, but I'm desperately looking to buy.
Okay, for sure.
If we want to flip the coin around.
Right, 100%. Well, yeah, which property was it? Because I didn't clearly hear the address, so I can take you off.
80.
So we help investors like yourself, and we find properties that they can flip or hold as a rental. Sometimes we flip them ourselves or we hold them ourselves, but sometimes we pass it on to other investors. Yeah, are you looking for a flip?
Oh, totally, yeah.
Oh.
So we're ready. We've got cash in the bank, ready to go. I'm actually building my list of wholesalers. If I can add your name,
Yeah.
that would be great.
Yeah, for sure.
But yeah, we buy anything from 80 to 180.
Okay.
thousand to renovate it.
Okay. And which areas do you like to invest in?
Now my favorite is 37421.
Right. Okay. Right. That's staple.
Yeah. It doesn't like that area, and but we'll go. I mean, we like Red Bank. We'll do Dalton. I don't know how far away you go from Chattanooga, but we don't like Rossville for flips. I don't know if you're marketing there. But they're better for rentals, not flips so much for us.
Okay.
But anyway, Chattanooga, anything in Chattanooga.
Okay, for sure. And are you working on anything right now?
Yeah, we're working on a house on Standifer Gap.
Nice.
And we still got a month on it, but I don't want to wait until we're finished.
Exactly.
We're ready to buy. I mean, we could close next week if we could just find something.
Okay.
To buy.
All right. And
we could do everything. So we've
mm-hmm.
done new construction from scratch or total tear down, and so we can do anything.
Okay, makes sense.
As far as that goes.
All right. And did you buy that one off of Standifer Gap, off of a wholesaler also?
No, we actually got that one off the MLS.
Oh, really? Wow.
Yeah. So
okay.
We got that. Yeah.
Okay. All right.
We have bought with wholesalers before. We've just renovated a few.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh yeah, I know David. I've known David for quite some time. In fact, I'll probably call him after we get off.
Yeah.
Are you connected with him or just know him?
Yeah, I mean, I've done a few, like we worked on a few deals together, like JV, like joint ventured on a few wholesale deals last year, and so worked with him before. But yeah, I know they do big volume over there.
Yeah, they've just gotten a lot out of Alabama, gone into Alabama.
Right.
Going into Alabama.
Right, yeah. I think they're in like 7 or 8 different markets. It's crazy. But yeah.
That's okay. They're doing well.
Right. Okay. Well, yeah. I mean, are you holding rentals also, or just concentrating on flips?
Yeah, I bought one. I bought a wholesale deal last year. We renovated it, and I got it as a rental. So yeah, I have a few rentals. And so I'm always interested in rentals, but right now my priority is a flip because I'm trying to put food on the table for a lot of people. So flips do that.
Right.
People and rentals don't so much.
Okay. For sure. Well, yeah, and
you don't have any houses in your inventory right now?
Right now, I'm all right now I'm all dried up. I just closed the deal this past Friday, and so I've been marketing a new list and trying to get more. It's just, I mean, it's been tight because inventory is very low, and a lot of people are putting their properties just on the MLS. So going off market is a little bit more difficult, but still out here. All right.
Are you just marketing to absentee owners?
Yeah, so I do absentees. I do, sometimes I try to go after like tax delinquents or like probates, something like that. But yeah.
Have you ever used Deal Machine? Do you know anything about it?
Yeah, I use Deal Machine a lot. I got a lot of good deals using Deal Machine, just driving for dollars, going to different, area codes and just driving that area code and taking down properties and then marketing them through like postcards or cold call them. But yeah, are you thinking about doing that?
Well, I don't think. Well, no, I've used it. I'm thinking about canceling it actually because I don't go driving for dollars. I mean, I've been doing this for a while, and I just thought that it might help me get to know Chattanooga areas more, and then I've just uploaded lists and I've looked at what I could do, but I haven't gotten any responses off the postcards and the letters. I've done a lot of ballpoint letters and not getting any responses. So.
Yeah, and I do come across a lot of sellers that say, yeah, I get like 9 of these a week. Like, who are you all? So I think, sometimes you can saturate a market, especially Chattanooga, with it not being a large market. So yeah, but yeah, how did you first get started in real estate?
I just thought I wanted to buy a few rental properties, and then it was slippery slide all the way down from there.
Right.
So,
okay.
And then I met somebody that I wanted to partner with, and we started building new houses in Chattanooga a couple years ago. Then things kind of went out the roof as far as pricing, so now we're just flipping and keeping our guys busy as we can. So we've got a really good, I've got a great system down. I lend to flippers too, so when somebody's short of money, you can contact me if somebody can't buy. But we've loaned to flippers here in Chattanooga quite a bit. And,
okay.
And I love the new construction. But, we're just kind of in all compartments of it. But right now we're dried up like everybody else because we got a lot of California people coming in buying up our property.
Right. That's so true. Yeah. So you do private lending also?
Yes.
Okay. So, for example, would you lend out for someone who, like, for example, if I come across a rental that I want to take down, do you rent out like rentals towards that? Like, I guess a little more long term.
No, it's a flip. It's a
short term.
Thing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Got you.
Do long term.
Okay. Totally understand. All right. And then, okay, so I know Cheryl is your first name, and so how do you spell
Sweetie,
it?
I'll text you my.
Okay.
I'll text you my. Oh, is this the number I can actually text?
Well, this is my landline business phone. So, my personal cell, I can give it to you, or and I can just text you from there. Yeah.
Well, I'll just text you my email address. And then you can put me in my full name. You can put me in your contacts.
Perfect.
Go from there.
Okay. Yeah. Thanks. And I appreciate you reaching out. And yeah, I'll let you know if I come across any other properties.
Okay. That'd be awesome, Matthew. Let's do some business.
For sure. All right.
Okay.
Thank
Have
you.
A great day.
You too. Bye-bye.
Bye.
So I hope you all really enjoyed this video of me talking to a cash buyer, how I connected with her, how I got a new good quality cash buyer that I know will buy my deals for cash. So if you all find value, again, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll talk to you all later. Peace.